Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be getting some random organizing done, and I figured that you guys are probably feeling similarly to me with Christmas approaching. There's just something about this time of year that makes me want to really clean and organize things, and I think it's because I know there will be an influx of new items coming in. Now, if you are a member in the membership, you saw like how we do Christmas, or if you read my blog post, you saw how we do it. So it's not that we go absolutely bananas, because obviously that would lend itself to needing to organize lots of spaces. But still, 4 kids, you know, 4 gifts, 5 gifts, 6 gifts, that's 25 additional things coming in. But really, the organization that I want to get done today has more to do with me than my kids. It's super random stuff, but it's just like these little areas that I've been putting off. I think in one of my most recent videos, I showed you guys like my pajama drawer, and once I got that all organized and cleaned out, I felt very accomplished and happy. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna go around. I'm giving it an hour. I'm calling this a power hour organizing. So if you have 1 hour of time, you can accomplish a lot. You know, some days I might have a whole day to clean and organize my house, but not today. But I'm done putting the task off. I have some areas that need tending to, and that's gonna bring me to today's video sponsor, which is Ebby. You guys know I've been working with Ebby for a few months now, and it's because they have the most comfortable seamless bras, bralettes, bodysuits, underwear in every cut, every style, so many cute colors and patterns. But my dresser right behind me has been neglected in the bra and underwear drawer, and so we're gonna clean that out today. Also, give me a thumbs up right now if you relate to washing all of your sports bras and the circular you know, inserts falling out. I have like 900 in there, so it's time to put those back in the sports bras, back in all the bras. It's just, it needs attention. So we're gonna start with that, but I wanna show you guys the newest style that I got from Ebby. I'm very excited about it. This is one of their best selling styles, and so I know you guys are gonna love it too. So this is Ebby's best selling mesh style. It's one of their newer releases, and it is seriously so pretty. And I got the matching black underwear to go with it. I wear a medium in everything, but this is seriously so pretty. And it of course features that no slip grip technology. So everything stays in place, which is very, very comfortable. I've worn or attempted to wear mesh in the past, and it is so abrasive against my skin. This is so soft and very breathable, so comfortable. I really love it a lot. And this is obviously something that you know, you could wear this every day if you wanted to, but I also think that this is really pretty and very feminine and makes you feel, you know, like you got a little extra going on. So if you are wanting to feel really, really beautiful, this set would be perfect for you, and your husband will probably like it too. So these are just the full briefs, but they do have other styles, and obviously this color is black, but I just think it's so pretty. It has that the lining that goes all the way down, but no underwire, of course, because everything from Ebby is so comfortable. And I love how the back of this is cut. It's cut down super low, so very low scoop, so you could wear it with a variety of different tops. But I wanted to show you guys this because we are gonna tackle my drawer up next. So maybe you're like me and you've neglected your bra and underwear drawer. I know moms, a lot of you guys can relate to this. Like, things are in there that should absolutely be thrown away. And if you are looking to refresh that, get some, you know, some things that you actually need for Christmas, I cannot recommend Ebby enough. I will have a link and a discount code for you guys where you can save 15% off on your order from their website, and I'll put the code right here. So that way you can take care of your bra and underwear situation. If you clean it out and you're like, wow, I have like one pair that doesn't have holes or stains or is just so worn out, treat yourself. The link will be down below, but we're gonna get going in here because, like I said, I have about 900 bra cup inserts to put back in, and I'm sure I'll have a bunch to throw away as well. So here's the condition of drawer number 1 and drawer number 2. So you can see everything. This is what I was talking about. These things drive me nuts. So anyways, it just needs a lot of attention. So I've been putting this off, but I am taking this power hour organization time to get things done. But this right here is actually my newest order from Evie before I got the mesh set. This is their thin strap seamless bralette, which is my favorite style to wear. So love that. But the drawer needs attention, so let's get it organized.
Well, shepherd kept there watching over silent flocks by night. Behold, throughout the heavens there shone a holy light. The shepherds feared and trembled when low above the earth rang out the angel chorus that hail our Savior's birth. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Down in a lonely manger, our humble Christ was born, and God sent us salvation that blessed Christmas morn. When I am a seeker, I seek both night and day. I seek the Lord to help me, and He shows me the way. Go tell it on the mountain.
All right, so feeling very good about this. I cleaned out a huge pile of stuff, but I have all of my Evie Comfort, the bralettes here, the tank style with the wider strap. They're all in a row. I have quite a few of those, and then I have the new seamless one that I showed you guys, and then these are the thin strapped bralettes that I love. I have 3 of those. These are the seamless tanks. This one's inside out, but I have a few of those. I actually wore this in Michigan underneath my sweaters and things, and then I was talking to you guys later at night once I got into my pajamas, and a bunch of you asked me what I was wearing. That's it. So I have all of those because I like to wear these under things. This is like, I don't know, it smooths everything out but is not uncomfortable like shapewear. So my drawers are nice and clean. Feeling very satisfied with that project, and then there's that one as well, much better. So here's the next little area that I have been needing and wanting to organize. I'm not a huge makeup collector, but it's amazing how quickly this can get out of hand. I've got some really old stuff in here too that I need to definitely throw away. So we are going to tackle this quickly to get this nice and organized, and all the expired stuff thrown away, things I don't use anymore. It's just collected. And as you can see, I have my travel size thing, or my travel makeup case, still out from my trip, and I left it there as a reminder that I need to do this. And so that is going to be next on this little power hour organize with me.
Down in a lonely manger, our humble Christ was born, and God sent us salvation that blessed Christmas morn. When I am a seeker,
So this is the next space that I wanted to tackle. I can't really give you guys good footage because it's really narrow. It's my under the stairs storage closet, and you can see that we store a lot of our homeschool stuff that we do in Morning Basket down here, and I also have my Christmas wrapping back there. Our vacuums are in here, coats are in here. All the way back, there's a bookshelf that has the kids' games and whatnot on it that needs some serious attention. There's like beads falling everywhere. So I've been wanting and needing to pull that out. So I'm going to attempt to film me organizing this little section. It's not going to take too long. It just basically, like, I clean out their games they don't play and everything. I've already kind of done that for the year, but it's just kind of chaotic. So I want to move everything over. And then on this side of the closet is my regular decor that I take down when I put up Christmas. I don't take down everything, but I do take down some things, and I want to find a better space for that. So I'm gonna work on this for probably 15 to 20 minutes because, like I said, I'm doing a power hour organizing, and so it can't take all day in here, but just wanting to get those things situated before we have new puzzles or new games coming in for Christmas gifts.
On the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. He made me a watchman upon the city wall. And if I'm a Christian, I'm the least of all. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born.
All right, the next area that I am going to turn my attention to is my coffee cup cabinet. I don't know about you guys, but everyone knows that I love coffee, and they're not wrong, but I end up accumulating too many mugs, too many mugs. And so this cabinet is right above our coffee bar right here, and I always end up with way too many mugs. So I have to regularly kind of cycle out the old ones. So that's what I'm going to do next, is just organize this cabinet. Right now I have some little signs hanging on my rack right there. So I have some of my collection inside there, and it's a little crazy in there. So I need to organize it and kind of look at the cups, what the condition is, just kind of organize this cabinet a little bit. So that's what we are going to tackle next.
Here comes the jolly season again with the sleigh bells and choirs singing.
All right, guys, here's the finished product. I put all the Christmas mugs on the bottom, miscellaneous ones there, to-go mugs above that, and then just some random like ones the kids have painted and stuff at the top. So this is much better. And you guys can see, whoops, what I pulled out right there. All of those, they're kind of gross or broken, not usable. So getting rid of just a few things, but it's filling up a trash bag as we go. All right, and the last section that has been on my list to kind of get fixed up is my pantry, because I'm sure you guys can relate. During the holidays, tons of extra food comes in here. Serving platters get used that are like way in the back and they're not put back necessarily. Just excess drinks and tablecloths, and I mean everything is just kind of thrown in here. It's relatively organized, but it definitely needs some attention. So I am going to attempt to organize this with the last little bit of the hour that I have. All right, you guys, there's a look at everything that came out. That trash bag's full, all these containers. Then I have these like Dollar Tree things I bought for a birthday party long ago, and I thought maybe I would reuse them often, but I don't, so I cleared that out. So that is all that came out of the pantry, and just kind of moving things where they go and straightening up the top. I feel like I can't open that any wider, but it's definitely made an improvement. So feeling very good about the state of the pantry, even though it's housing a lot more stuff than it usually does. And then here is the other trash bag that is going out that is full. So 2 whole trash bags pretty much taken out in an hour of cleaning things up. So that is going to be it for me today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this power hour organizing. I hope it got you motivated to do what you can in the time you have. It is such a nice feeling to feel like those spaces that you've been putting off have been tackled in time for the new items that you want to bring into your house. Make sure you guys check out the links to Ebby and use my discount code if you need to overhaul your drawers like I did. I just placed an order. I have 6 or 7 new pairs arriving because I threw away a lot more than I thought I would. So that link and that information will be down below. I hope this motivated you. Give me a thumbs up before you go. Leave me a comment letting me know what spaces in your house that are kind of random. Like I showed you guys random spaces, not like your typical organize my playroom or something like that. So let me know what random spaces in your home need attention. I think we could all use a laugh and a smile these days, and I will see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye, friends.